Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. I'm Siti Fatima from B7 PGSD IKIP Siliwangi. Today, I'd like to present about national income. The topic is very important for you because related to business result. In my presentation, I'll focus on four major issues. First of all, I'll be looking at what is national income. Second, why is national income important? Third, national income concept. And fourth, measurement of national income. My presentation will take about 5 minutes. National income measures the total value of goods and services produced within the economy over a period of time. This suggests that labor and capital of a country working on the natural research produce certain net amount of goods and services, the aggregates of which is known as national income or national product. So, national income is one indicator to measure the development of or prosperity of a country. Why is national income important? Measuring the level and rate of growth of national income is important to economics when they are considering first, economic growth and where a country is in the business cycle. Second, change to average living standards of the population. Third, looking at the distribution of national income. Now, we'd like to look at the measuring national product and national income. Business provide goods and service to customer and household consume final good and service products by business sector. Household provide productive and food to business, and then business use research and food provided by household. National income concept. There are two national income concepts. First, national gross domestic product (GDP), and second, gross national product (GNP). GDP is defined as an aggregate measure of production equal to the sum of the gross values added of all resident institutional units engaged in a production. Gross national product (GNP). GNP is the market value of all the products and services produced in 1 year by labor and property supplied by the citizen of a country. GDP versus GNP. What the difference of GDP and GNP? We can look at this. GDP is asset Indonesian people and foreign in Indonesian area at school. GDP and then asset Indonesian people in the other country and Indonesian area is called GNP. And now we'll look at this chart. Growth rate of the real gross domestic product (GDP) from 2012 to 2022. Measurement of national income. Income method, output method, and expenditure method. Income method. The income average measures national income as the sum total of factor income shares occurring to the factor owners. It includes wage and salaries, rent, interest, and profit within a country in a given year. Output method. The total value of the final goods and service produced by the primary, secondary, tertiary industries. And last, expenditure method. Expenditure method measures national income as aggregate of all the final expenditure on gross domestic product in the economy during a year. This is the sum of expenditure made for final consumer good and investment demand and for net export. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.